Hello, welcome back to the channel. Can you find the area painted green? It is triangle inside triangle. Let us solve step by step. We are going to name our triangle as triangle A, B, C, and this point here, I'm going to call it as point D. We need to find the shaded area, the area painted green. They have given to us its base, but they don't give us the height directly. We are going to use the large triangle to find the height first. Let us use triangle ABC to get the height. Since it is a right-angled triangle, we are going to use Pythagorean theory to find the height. Pythagorean theory states that a square plus b square, this is equal to c square. Let us call a is equal to height. So let's say height is equal to a, we are looking for, and b is equal to 7 plus 13, which is going to be 20 centimeter, and c, the longest side, is equal to 25. So we have c is equal to 25. Let us use the formula to get height. That is going to be h square plus 20 square. This is equal to 25 square. That is h square plus 400. This is equal to 625. Let us bring 400 to the right hand side. We have h square. This is equal to 625. Take away 400. H square. This is equal to 225. Let's take square root both sides. We get h is equal to 15 centimeter. So the height is 15 centimeter. Now let us find the area of painted part. Area of a triangle is given by a half multiplied by base multiplied by height, but we have base is equal to 13 and our height is equal to 15. Our area is equal to a half multiplied by 13 multiplied by 15. We're going to get our area is equal to 1 multiplied by 13 multiplied by 15. We get 195 over 2. So our area is equal to 195 divided by 2. We get 97.5. This is centimeter square. I hope you understand the question. For more questions on areas and perimeter, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.